Ready to start an LLC in Michigan? We've got your back. Let's walk through the 5 essential steps to set up your Michigan LLC. And guess what? It can take just a few minutes to file. Bonus, we'll share some shortcuts and tips to avoid common pitfalls and fees. Let's start. Step 1, choosing a name. First things first, pick a name that rocks. In Michigan, naming concerns are the main cause of LLC application rejections. Typically, this happens when the name is too similar to an existing business or includes prohibited terms. Our free tool can assist you in discovering awesome name options, but remember to follow these rules. The name should end with limited liability company, limited company, limited co, LLC, or LC. Avoid names that suggest your LLC is a government agency, bank, insurance company, or any business that requires special licenses. Avoid using any words that imply you're a different kind of legal entity, such as corp, inc., nonprofit, etc. Make sure the name is distinguishable from all the currently active names of corporations, limited partnerships, and limited liability companies in the state. You can easily verify the availability of your chosen name through the Michigan portal's free online business name search. For more information on Michigan's naming regulations, including important links, visit our Michigan Formation page. Quick tip, once you confirm your name's availability, it's smart to secure the domain for your LLC's website. We've negotiated an exclusive, super affordable domain deal just for you. Check the domain availability and grab this offer by clicking the link below. It's wise to secure the domain even if you're not building your website immediately. Step 2, finding a registered agent. This person or business entity will receive and then forward to you all important legal documents on behalf of your LLC, such as notices from the government, complaints, or legal actions against your business. The agent must have a physical address in Michigan or be an entity authorized to conduct business in the state. It must be a street address. It can't be a P.O. box or mail service like UPS. You can be your own registered agent or appoint a friend or family member. Just remember, the name and address of the registered agent will become public record. For some, that's a privacy deal breaker. Opting for a commercial resident agent service costs approximately $10 or less per month. Besides offering privacy, a commercial service saves you valuable time spent on paperwork, allowing you to focus on your business. If you choose Northwest, they provide free agent services for 1 year, and you can get an exclusive TRUiC-only deal through the link below. They've been doing this for over 20 years, and so they know what they're doing. They'll actually scan every piece of mail you get and upload it to your account so you can check it virtually. Step 3, filing your LLC Articles of Organization. Next up is filing your LLC Articles of Organization with the Michigan Department of Licensing and Regulatory Affairs, or LARA. This essential document includes crucial details like your LLC's name, purpose, expected duration, and the registered agent's information. Note, Michigan LLCs are assumed to be member-managed unless stated otherwise in Article 5 of the Articles of Organization. You have 2 options for filing, by mail or online. To file by mail, download Form 700, complete it, and send it to this address. It's going to be easier to file online, which can be done through the corporation's online filing system. Regardless of which method you choose, the filing fee is $50. If your LLC was registered in another state but you'd like to do business in Michigan, then download and complete Form 760, Application for Certificate of Authority to Transact Business in Michigan, and submit it to LARA to the address we gave. That fee is also $50. Processing time for both the Articles of Organization and Application for Certificate of Authority ranges from 10 to 15 days. Here's a pro tip that's special to Michigan. If you're a veteran, you may be eligible to file for free. Simply obtain and complete a veteran fee waiver request form and submit it along with proof of veteran status and the completed Articles of Organization to LARA at the address we gave before. Step 4, creating an LLC operating agreement. Although not required by Michigan law, it's highly recommended to create an LLC operating agreement. An operating agreement is a private contract between members that spells out the most important aspects of an LLC's ownership and governance. It's a vital tool for alignment and conflict prevention. For example, an LLC can be manager-managed, which allows some members to be passive investors. On the other hand, in a member-managed LLC, all members can take an active role in management. In Michigan, you need to note this on the operating agreement like we mentioned earlier. In addition, some banks may ask for one along with a business plan when you open a business bank account or pursue loans. To make things easier for you, we've provided a free operating agreement template on our formation page. We've also included a free business plan generator there too. Step 5. Obtaining an LLC EIN, Employer Identification Number. The final step is to obtain an LLC EIN, which is a federal tax identification number. This unique number allows the IRS to identify and track your business's taxes and filing status. You'll need the EIN to open a business bank account, manage federal and state taxes, and hire employees. The process is super simple and completely free of charge through the IRS. Just fill out the online form and submit. It takes like 10 minutes. Post-formation steps. After you've successfully formed your LLC, there are a few important things to keep in mind. Each year, you'll need to file a Michigan annual report, the fee for which is $25. Additionally, Michigan annual reports, also known as annual statements, are due annually by February 15th, starting the year after the LLC is formed. However, LLCs formed after September 30th won't have to file until 2 years after. Next, keep your business assets and transactions separate from personal ones to maintain the limited liability protection provided by your LLC. If you mix personal and business transactions, known as commingling, you run the risk of creditors being able to pierce the corporate veil and go after your personal assets to satisfy debts. This means, among other things, having a separate business checking account and business credit card. Also, start building business credit. You can find our preferred resources and cards by following the guide below. Last but not least, having business insurance is prudent and is very often required as all businesses face risks. A service like Northwest can simplify a lot of these processes and payments, saving time and effort so that you can focus on running your business. Remember, they'll provide agent services for free for 1 year, too. And that's it. You've now learned how to set up an LLC in Michigan. All the resources mentioned in this video can be found in the description below. We hope you found this video really useful. If you have any more questions, explore the rest of our channel and website for free resources and guides to start your Michigan business. We've also compiled lists of the best local Michigan accountants, lawyers, and registered agents on our site. If you have any questions, hit us up.